yet another video en route to Savan Durga. Well, the weather is okay. So yeah, so the weather's mixed. Can't Thank you. Can't really say whether it's going to rain or not. I don't know if we can get an image at this point of time, but hoping for the best. Let's see what happens. Well, to begin with, I thought today is going to be very cold, very chilly. So I wore a sweatshirt and a jeans to trek. Now I look like an idiot. That section right there, it's raining, it's pouring heavily, I can definitely say. Yeah. I do have my camera set and I am looking at the subject. It's not the best, I feel, but nonetheless, it works. And by the way, I see another tree which is bent in a particular way, and it's really interesting. I'm not sure if I need to take out my tripod, my camera. It's kind of cumbersome. Oh, what the hell. The sun, sun shone at the right time, right? The tree which I speak about right here, sorry, I don't think you're able to see. Yeah, so only a part of it is lit by sun and the rest of it is in shadows. So when I'm taking a photo, the contrast itself with just a bit of an Norton effect, it'll look magical. Well, this is the one photo I'm counting on, and I don't think the climb till here was of no use. This is absolutely gorgeous. It's a gorgeous tree, and just the shape of it, just the shape of it right there, it's interesting. And the sunshine, the sun creates a good contrast, and with just a little bit of intervention on Lightroom, probably we can get a magical image. With this photo, I'll definitely conclude my vlog on a nice remark and a nice memory. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, and please do like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.